is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Well, I seem to have lost my mojo, my sewing mojo, sojo mojo. When I was doing all those canning mats, I couldn't wait to finish them so I could go on and do things for me. Since I finished them, I did those cushion covers, which I wanted to do, and I've tried coming up here and making some clothes, but it's been an effort to force myself into coming in here and doing anything. And I think it's possibly because there's a lot of clutter. I've not been putting things away and moving them. So if I do anything, I've got to move something from somewhere it is to which is not its actual place to live. Will you pack it in? That's not its place it lives, but that's where it is at the moment, so I have to move it somewhere else and back and forth. So I'll show you a clip now of what it's like when I walk in this room. So this is a sight as I walk into the room. I've got that big wool wadding that's in my way. My cutting table desk is completely covered with different fabrics that I've had out and not put back. My sewing desk in front of my sewing machine, there are canning jars that need to go on the shelves. I've got some more downstairs that need to go on the shelves as well. This is a top I started to try get back into sewing, and it's taken me ages. These are some other clothes I started and not quite finished. My embroidery machine is under the cover. I've got my serger out in front of my monitor. Oh, at least my ironing station is sort of empty, but there's junk. Well, not junk, but I just haven't been putting things away. So this is what I'm going to change today. There's that much stuff around. Mason's probably found something to chew. Yeah, so I'll get to it now. So now with the aid of video cameras, you'll see now what it looks like when you walk in the room, because I'm going to have a mass tidy up. The difference a few hours makes. I've now, there's my tripod, yeah, underneath all that fabric is my dressmaker's dummy body form with the fabric that I've been using to make clothes, because I aren't enamoured with it at the moment, so it's there and all the bits are there ready for me to use. My cutting desk, yay, empty. My sewing desk, empty. My hoover's there because I'm going to hoover in a moment. That is a fabric that I'm thinking of doing my next quilt. I've put a load of fabric for quilts on my shelves. This is a bit tidier around here, but I can get around now, which is brilliant. So I think I'll take a rest, and tomorrow I'll start things.